Hello everybody, welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks for joining us, we really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe really quick, hit the like button, share this video, let us know in the comments what you think of the video and who you'd like us to draw next. Today we are drawing Joe Montana, Hall of Fame quarterback for the San Francisco 49ers. Joe Montana was a huge quarterback when I was a little kid. Threw touchdowns galore to Jerry Rice, one of the best, if not the best, wide receiver. So Joe Montana is considered one of the best, probably top 3, top 5 quarterbacks of all time. Nicknamed Cool Joe, 16 seasons, played in the NFL mainly with the 49ers, played college at Notre Dame, 4 Super Bowls, MVP 3 times of the Super Bowl, and Hall of Famer. So Joe Montana, let's get started. Find your center right there, up and down, center across, and let's do Joe Montana's head right above. We're gonna get our dark marker, pointed tip, do the jaw, come down and to a long chin, come flat, angle up and round out and up, okay? Now we're gonna do a hairline. So Joe Montana played in the 80s and they had kind of longer hair at the time. So here we go, we're gonna go up, down, and there's gonna be a pointed swoop, around, and connect. So that's kind of his bangs right there. And up here we'll do the top of the hair. Go up, kind of swoop out, angle down. This is going to be the bottom of the ear poking out from the hair. Do his neck, down, kind of round it out. And his hair is going behind the neck. Doesn't have to be perfect, it's just kind of swoopy 80s hair. There we go. Angle down and round out the bottom of the ear there. All right. Let's do a couple of sideways ovals. There's 1, and there's 2. We'll do a circle. That's the highlight of the eye. That highlight stays white, and then around that circle we'll kind of outline it in this black, make a thicker black line. That's called the pupil. And then I'm going to quickly grab a light blue and go around the black pupil with blue. Just add a little bit of color to Joe Montana's eyes. There we go. And next we'll do the nose. So find the center of the head. We're gonna come down, do a dot, up, maybe a line and a line for the nose. Now let's do the center. We'll find a dot and do the mouth. Go up and out, up and out. Kind of like a flying bird. See that shape? All right, we'll do an angle down, a flat, angle up, color in the corners of the mouth with the dark, and then make a line, and we're gonna color the bottom of this mouth black because he's smiling. He's got kind of a space. We'll do a slight line. He's got a space in his teeth there, and he's got a dimple in his chin. Okay, and he's got some smile lines. So we're gonna go around his lip with these smile lines and dimples in his chin. There we go, or his cheeks. There we go. Now let's do his shoulder pads. Bump out and down. Longer sleeves in the 80s, so go down, flat, up, down to the waist, angle up, down, and flat sleeve, and connect. There we go. Perfect. Let's do, he wears this towel, so we'll kind of do a rectangle shape and do the legs down, up, round out the knee and connect to the hip right there. Do some long calf muscles. We start wide at the knee and come down skinny toward the ankle. wide at the knee and angle down toward the ankle. Connect. A couple of shoes. 1, 2 bumps. Those are the tongues of the shoes. 1, 2, 3 shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces there. Bring that shoe out to the edge of the page and down. Straight across to the heel and stop. Connect to the heel. Bring that heel down on this foot. Draw straight across to the edge of the page. Round up the toe and connect to the shoelace. All right, let's do a football. Round this big kind of U rainbow shape. Do another one that connects the shape of the football. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4 circles for fingers holding that football. Then the arm going into the football. So go down into the football. Same thing over here, come down, down. Skinnier toward the wrist. His hand, his finger. Maybe there's a finger back there. So pretty basic. We're doing Joe Montana. Longer hair. Maybe not the best, I'm not sure exactly. So let's get our red marker for San Francisco 49ers. We're gonna do the skinny, and we'll do the number 16. The best we can. So if you need to press pause or go slow motion on this number 16, I understand. Go at your own pace, it does not have to be perfect. The numbers are kind of hard. Go down, come across, and go up. There we go, number 16. Now, we've got some stripes over here on the sleeves, a lot of stripes. So we're gonna color a stripe on the bottom, red, stripe on the bottom, red, okay? And then we're gonna leave a gap of white and do another red, a gap of white, do another red, color that red in a little bit thicker there, color that red in a little thicker there, and then we'll do another gap of white and a red, another gap of white and a red, color that red in a little thicker like we did on the other two. Okay. And I think we have one more. Yep, we'll do a gap of white and a thick red. Make that angle, gap of white. There we go, cool. So we're gonna color all this jersey in red around the 16, and then we're gonna do a stripe of red down the pant leg here. Color that in with red. Leave the towel white, this towel area. Bring another, and then there's a white stripe on the side right there. So leave a white stripe on the side of the pant and color in this red stripe here. And then the socks actually are gonna have some stripes as well. So we're gonna do red, red, leave a gap of white, a gap of white, a little thicker. Okay, and we'll color the top of the socks in red here. All right, so we're basically going to fast forward and we're gonna color the pants in kind of the 49ers gold, or a kind of a beige color. We'll do a red jersey, brown football, kind of blondish brown hair, and flesh color for Joe Montana. Thank you for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw Joe Montana of the San Francisco 49ers. Fast forward now.